Today I'm here to tell you guys about laser hair reduction. This is a technique where laser is used to get rid of unwanted hair. Both men and women can go for it. How does this laser work? In this procedure, the laser beam basically targets the melanin, that is the pigment present in the hair follicles, and destroys it completely. If the hair root is destroyed, the hair is not going to go back. That's the funda behind this laser. How many sessions would you require? Anywhere between 6 to 8 sessions are what is recommended and what is required unless there is an underlying hormonal issue like polycystic ovarian syndrome or any other hormonal imbalances. The approximate gap from one session to the other would be anywhere between 4 to 6 weeks. And as you progress with your laser sessions, the gap keeps increasing. For example, if your first few sessions were in a month's time or in 6 weeks, later on you would have to get a session once in 2 months or once in 3 months. Eventually, maybe a session only once in 6 months. Is this procedure painful? A lot of patients ask me. This is an absolutely painless procedure, but that depends on the laser machine that your doctor is using. The laser that we do is painless and you will just feel a little bit amount of heat which is absolutely bearable and nothing when compared to other methods of hair removal like threading or waxing, which are quite painful. Laser for unwanted hair is a lunch break procedure and there is absolutely no downtime. The only precaution that you would have to take is with sun protection. With any laser, your skin becomes a little more sensitive to the sun. Hence, it's even more important to apply your sunscreen after any session of laser. Laser hair reduction can be a good solution not only for unwanted hair but also for ingrowth hair and for conditions like keratosis pilaris. Imagine never having to go for painful hair reduction techniques like waxing or threading ever again. Let's go the laser way.